Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. First, we're going to start off on the daily chart on Bitcoin. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But right now, we're just getting this we're holding this current level, which you can see support here. You can see support here, or actually the rejection here, which turned into support. But we got some good support back here. We're getting a bounce here. So it's coming in right around the 42.50. Pretty much what we talked about in yesterday's video. So let's see if this can continue up to the upside. The 4-hour is looking pretty good, but we are getting rejected at the 50-day moving average on the 4-hour. So let's see if we can break that and get past that, get a 4-hour candle closing anywhere above 42 to 43. Now we are starting to come out of my pattern here. It's very close, guys. We're getting the wick, and now we're starting to come back down as I'm doing this video. We did get up to that 47 and got rejected. And you can kind of see, and I'm going to show you guys this right here. You can kind of see right there. You see these two touch points? Right there. And look, we got rejected right there. So let's get above that area. Right around, let's see, what was the high? 42, or let's just say 42 700. It's 42 692, but we always give or take a couple dollars. So yeah, let's see if we can break that area, get above there. Here, let me get that on. Sometimes I do these things and then the drawings don't come out right. Let me see if I can get that right on point. There we go. All right, so let's see if we can get this daily. We've got a half hour left. See if we can push this up. It doesn't take much to get Bitcoin up a couple $100. If not, then yeah, we could see a little bit more sideways. If we do break this trend, guys, I don't see us skyrocketing from here now. I see us going down sideways and maybe even retesting this at some level. Okay, whether we go up or down, retesting this trend. So just be patient with this move. This is a patient move. This is not going to be a breakout like we had on Cardano when we broke out of this and we broke out of this, which, look at this, guys, got rejected right at my point. I mean, that was easy, 163 to the dollar, but we won't. That was from yesterday's video. But anyways, guys, we want to see us get a daily candle closing out here. Right now, we're right on the line. We're breaking right on the line. And then we want to see the next candle hold up. So if we do break this, if we do come out of here and the next candle opens up here, what I would like to see is a rejection here and then bounce up. I don't want to see us falling back. We can wick it. If we wick it, guys, it's not the end of the world. As long as we end up tomorrow closing back out of this area, okay, closing back out of the trend, that's what I would really like to see. Wicking it doesn't matter, guys. Don't get scared. Don't freak out if it wicks down, if it breaks back into the trend. As long as it closes that daily out of this tomorrow, that's what we're going to be looking for. On the 4-hour, it is looking pretty good. We got a lot of things turning up. It'll continue to turn up as long as the MACD, as long as we're above 41,911, which we currently are. Let's see. We're getting a bounce with momentum. There's a lot of things here. RSI. Let's look at the RSI. See, we broke down out of this pattern. Look what happened, guys. We had our pattern, and then it broke down, and then the price broke down. Because remember, we were up higher, then we had this little breakdown today. Now we're going to retest this area. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get back up into this pattern and break this pattern and go up to the upside on the RSI there. Let's see what else. Stochastic is looking good. The vortex is starting to change. So on the 4 hours, so we could see a short-term little move. If we got to watch that RSI, though. The RSI, if that gets rejected, some other things happen that could get ugly. Let me erase this because this is all over the place. You could see we got rejected right here coming in at the 50. The 50-day on the 4-hour is acting as resistance. So let's see a candle, 4-hour candle closing above there, and that's what I'm looking for. Ethereum, guys, we're going to move on to Ethereum. Ethereum, let's see. We got a bounce at 3,080. I had 3,057 area. Very close. And I could see where they bounced it. I must have just missed that. Just brought it up just by a couple dollars right there. Even then, it's still at 3,071. So we were about 10, 15 bucks off of that low. Guys, when it comes to trading Bitcoin and Ethereum and these caps that are higher, it's hard to get exactly to the dollar. Like like we could do with Matic or even Cardano, how we get these to the dollar, or even Solana, we got into our range here, or even Shiba, we talked about 2750, and that's really hard to do. And we hit the bottom here and got our rejection. So it's not easy to get to the dollar all the time with those. But if you're a couple dollars off, you got to expect that. But it's part of the game. Usually, guys, I'll be honest with you, I'm dead point. I'm dead accurate. But every once in a while, I might be a couple dollars off. It's just part of the game. Okay. But we look for that general level. That's why a lot of times I draw these boxes up for you guys. But anyways, what I'm looking for here, I want to see the 3,000. Let's say the 3,080 hold up. We don't want to create a new low. If it doesn't, then yeah, we just want to see 3,000 and the 29 hold up. To the upside, I'm still looking to get past 34 and past this 200-day moving average, which is coming in right around 34.80. So yeah, that's it. RSI is low on the daily still. Let's look here. Hold on. Let's see. RSI, we still couldn't get that clear break out of this pattern, out of this falling channel. So let's just see what happens with that. Let's see. Let's go to the 1 hour. Maybe see a pullback. No. It's mixed signals. Mixed signals. Some things are looking good. Some things aren't. Let's see. The 4 hours looking better than the hour. So let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hours looking good. And even on the 4 hour, we want to get above this 50-day on the 4 hour. You can see it's coming in as resistance back here. And that's coming in right around our mark, right around the 32.47 mark, 32.50 mark. Okay. So let's see if we can clear that, especially on a 4, get a 4 hour candle close and opening and stay above that. That would look nice. But let's see what happens here on the daily. We got 21 minutes left to go. Matic, guys. Matic, we had 204. It got down to 207, which I could see that. I had that level. I didn't think it was actually going to drop that bad, so I didn't put that in yesterday's video. Let's look. But you can see where they got this level right here. This is on the 4 hour chart. You can see these candles just lining up. Look at this. Boom, 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 back here. Now let's look at the daily and see what we have on the daily. Okay. So on the daily, yeah. So we have our two levels. So let's see if that $2.07 range holds. If not, then we could be looking at the $2.04 and $2 range even. This was a nasty rejection off our 245. Ooh, wait a minute, guys. Actually, this doesn't look good. Wait, no, it's locked. I'm sorry. Hold on. I just want to do something here. Is this? That's a double top, guys. It looks like, right? Am I missing something? Let's see, we had the break. Hold on, guys. Let me just see something. I don't like this because I just noticed this. Let me take off this. Ooh. And that lines up with 187. Guys, or 189, I'm sorry. We need a bounce back here. We need to get back above this level, back above 216, 217. Ideally, a back above this 222 area. If not, then yeah, we could see $1.89 in the future here. That could be a great buying opportunity, in my opinion, for Matic. Let's see how this plays out. Let's see if the $2 area holds up first. To the upside, like I said, 217, 217, 230. I would like to see a daily or a 4-hour candle closing above there. Let's look at the hour chart. Hour, see, getting a lot of mixed signals on the hour chart. The 4-hour charts look a little bit better. So let's see if we can get a short-term bounce here, guys. If not, we're looking at these levels. You can see the 4-hour. We did get rejected right at my 216. What did I just do? Okay, right at the 216 level. We did get that rejection right into my box. We got to clear that level, guys. We just got to clear this with a 4-hour, and let's scoot our way back up and test this 222. That's what I'm looking at for Matic. Cardano, let's see on the daily. Let's see what happened here, guys. All right, we got our breakout. We hit exactly to the dollar to my target at 163 and some change. Now, what I always tell you guys, what do we look for? If we get the break in the close out of this trend, we had this trend, right? We talked about in yesterday's video. See our trend from top here going all the way through. We always watch the very, very next candle, okay? We want to see this candle get rejected. So do something like this, come back down, and then bounce. We didn't get that. It fell back in here. Now we're getting the close. That does not look good. I don't like that. I hope some of you guys took this level right here, because that was my second target. That's where you take most of your money if you're trading this. And then you look for this third one with the 25%. But once this got rejected, you should have been out of this trade at 156 if you took it down here at 112 or I'm sorry, 118. So let's see here. Now we need to get back above this trend, get back above 163 and push up to the 168, 175, and then get back up to this 191 and 196 area. And then maybe we could scoot back up to this $2 area. But right now, this is not looking too great on the daily. Let's look at the 4-hour. See, the 4 hours looking pretty good. Now all my indicators just disappeared. That's nice. I don't know why that happened. Oh, there we go. Just took a minute to load. We are seeing some consolidation here. The 4 hours are looking better than the dailies on all these charts. So maybe we can get a little move to the upside. I mean, short-term downside, and then maybe a move later tonight or early morning. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this level holds up at 138. If the 138 can hold like we talked about, which it did. It got down to 140. So that's good. So let's see if that 138 holds up. If it can, then we could make another move to the upside on Cardano. Solana, how much time do I have left? So I'm 13 minutes in. I gotta hurry this up here now, guys. So Solana, we hit our target down here, our buy zone again. We hit here, easy buy. Now it's pumping. It's doing good. So let's see. This is on the 4-hour chart. Let's see if we can clear this level at 445. Actually, I want to see 145 to 150. Get a 4-hour candle closing above there, or even a daily by tomorrow. That would look nice. We are back above the 200-day moving average. So let's see if we can get a consistent bounce here. This is looking good. Let's look at the RSI real quick. Look, we're testing the trend on the RSI. Let's see what happens here. Let's go to the 4-hour. Like I said, guys, the 4 hours are looking better right now currently than any other charts. Even the hour's looking good on this one too. Let's look. And we could see a little pullback soon, but it's still looking good, guys. So Solana's looking okay. Let's see if that can continue. Like I said, let's see the 135, 130 hold up, and let's see this get past 150 area, okay? That's what I'm looking at for Solana Shiba. We got our bounce right off my line perfect at 27.50. I just moved the fib. We'll get rid of it. We don't need it. We already looked at it yesterday. And now we're kind of just in no man's land. We had a double top on the 4-hour. It looks like, I'm going to move this up because this was on the daily. But it looks like we got a double top coming in right around this 28.50 area. So let's get a 4-hour candle closing above there. And then let's press back up and get past this 3,000 area. That's what I want to see for SHIB. To the downside, let's see if the 27 holds up. The 27 even this mark right here. If not, then yeah, we could push that back down to this 25 level. Could get ugly, but let's see what happens here. The indicators, let's see. Yeah, the 4 hours are looking okay. Hours are not looking that great. There's a lot of mixed signals going on here. As people are confused, this is where you see sideways trading, and it could go either way, guys, to be honest with you. The daily doesn't look that great. Let's see if we can push. See, I don't like that little rejection right there. Let's see if we can push a little bit higher. We still got about 15 minutes left. So I think that's it for SHIB. Let's go to Avalanche now, guys. Let's get rid of this fib. We don't care. Avalanche. This was a nasty move. I didn't expect this. Even below 85. We had 82 and some change. It got to 83. So we were about $1 off there. And now we're seeing a bounce on the 4-hour, which the 4-hour looks okay, guys. The 4-hour looks okay. Just like everything. The hour looks okay. And the daily is it's just average. So not anything special, anything catching my eye here. So let's see if we can get a little bounce here. If not, then let's see if the 82 and the 79 holds up. And if the 79 doesn't hold up, then we could be looking at the 75 and 72 level. So I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys thumbs up. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. I'm also going to leave a link to Twitter and Webull in the description. If you do sign up, using my Webull account, deposit $100. If you guys wait for that money to clear, I believe right now they are giving away. I don't know if that ended yesterday. You're either going to get 3 free shares or 6. So it's free money. Either way you look at it. So take advantage of it. Listen, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes. And love you all and peace out.